Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to buy crypto coins in Phantom Wallet. In order to do this, first of all open Phantom Wallet on your mobile phone and it will show up this interface. Here, in order to buy any kind of crypto coin, you'll have to simply click on the buy option available just right here. Click on buy and it will show up this page. We'll have to search for the crypto coin that you want to buy. So you have a list of options like available tokens and most popular tokens. We can simply search for a crypto coin that I want to buy. For example, I want to buy Bitcoin. I will search Bitcoin, then I will choose Bitcoin. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy. For example, I will enter 55. Now, I will have to choose whether I want to buy it with credit or debit card. I'll click on it and it will show up this page. Now, you can choose to pay with credit or debit card. So click on credit and debit card available just right here. Now choose what kind of credit card or debit card you're going to use. You also have the option to choose MoonPay, Robinhood, Venmo, credit debit card, Google Pay, PayPal, Skrill, Revolt Pay and different options. For example, I can also choose Google Pay and enter my UPI ID. Now after choosing that, I'll be taken back where I can choose the providers. I will choose Shift 4. Now I can click on the buy button and it will instantly open up a page where I will have to enter my Google Pay credentials and I will have to simply log in with my email. So I will enter my email, click on login and complete the payment from that page. Now you can also choose this button and choose credit or debit card. Now choose any one of these providers. After entering the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, click on buy. It will open up this page. Now as you can see, if I pay $53, I will get this much amount of Bitcoin. I will click on continue and this will take me to this page where I will have to sign up or log in to this link via an email address. After that, I will have to follow the prompts provided in the next step, simply complete the payment and I would have successfully bought that crypto coin on Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.